How to delete Snapchat call history. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. Click on your profile located at top left corner of your screen. Then simply click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Clear Conversation. Click on Clear Conversation and you'll find all the conversation from your account. Simply to delete, click on cross mark at the right side and then click on clear. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to delete Snapchat call history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.